Are you a professional cryptocurrency trader? No? We have a simple process for you to follow where you make the exact same trades as the pros, automatically. When they make a trade, you make the same trade at the same time. If you're a professional trader, reach out to us. We have followers wanting to follow your trades. Here's how our system works. Our subscribers get on a crypto exchange and provide an API key which allows the system to make trades for them, while always maintaining 100% possession of their crypto. When a pro trader makes a trade, their followers make the same trade automatically. So all of the pro's knowledge and experience is effortlessly passed on to you. What about those promise-to-pay programs that offer guaranteed returns? Well, they always crash and burn, leaving their regular Joes with absolutely nothing. How many times do you want to go through that? There's a stronger, smarter, and better way to do things. Why would you ever give up control of your crypto if you can have the advantage of professional trading skills working for you 24/7? Cryptocurrency is real, it's spendable, it's global, and it's a viable way to move beyond just exchanging your time for money. Crypto is in the mass adoption stage, and it's becoming mainstream. The headlines are changing, and now is the time to take advantage of it. We welcome you to our simple and effective system. You're at exactly the right place at the right time. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, especially when it's this easy. When you make a difference in your world, you can make a positive difference in the world. In spirit of community and sharing, a portion of your proceeds will go to missions of love, which helps people in need around the world battling malnutrition, mental health issues, and natural disasters. We want you to be so happy with our service that you tell others about us. We also have a rewarding affiliate program. Automatically make the same trades as pros, optionally make referrals for affiliate rewards, and help us help those that need it. Start copying ProTraders today.